In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Supabase project locally with Supabase CLI and Docker. By the end, you'll have a fully working Supabase stack running on your machine, ready for development and testing without touching production. We'll follow the official local development guide as our source of truth. It's helpful to keep that documentation open in a browser so you can reference commands and environment details as you go. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js installed, since we'll use npm and npx, and ensure Docker Desktop or an equivalent Docker engine is installed and running. The Supabase CLI will orchestrate a set of Docker containers for you, so Docker needs to be available in the background. Next, we're going to install the Supabase CLI. Open your command line. On Windows, you can use Command Prompt, PowerShell, or your favorite terminal. On macOS and Linux, use Terminal. Navigate to the root of your project repository, because the configuration the CLI creates should live alongside your code. If you don't have a project yet, you can create an empty folder and treat that as your repo root. With your terminal open in the project directory, install the CLI as a development dependency by running the following command: npm install supabase savedev. Installing it this way keeps your tooling tied to the project and makes it easy for teammates to use the same version of the CLI when they clone the repo. It also lets you run CLI commands using npx without requiring a global install. Let the install complete before moving on. The first time may take a moment depending on your network and cache. Now that the CLI is available, initialize Supabase in your repository. This creates the standard directory structure and config files the CLI uses to manage your local stack. From the same terminal and in the same project folder, run npx supabase init. This command scaffolds a Supabase folder with configuration, and it's where migrations, seed files, and service settings can live. If your repository is already using version control, these files can be committed so everyone on the team can reproduce the same setup locally. With the project initialized, it's time to start the Supabase stack. This is the part where Docker gets involved and the services are brought up. Run npx supabase start. The CLI will pull the required Docker images if you don't have them already, then spin up containers for the database, API, authentication, and the web dashboard. The first run can take a few minutes as images download, so be patient. If Docker isn't running, start it and rerun the command. Keep this terminal open because it will stream logs and status while the services are running. Once the startup completes, your local Supabase instance will be available. Open your browser and go to http://localhost/54323. This is the Supabase Studio dashboard running locally, where you can browse your database, manage authentication, inspect logs, and apply migrations. Because everything is local, you can experiment safely without affecting any remote environment. If you ever encounter a connection error in the browser, double-check that the start command is still running in your terminal and that Docker shows the containers as healthy. A few quick tips as you explore. Work from the same project directory anytime you use the CLI so it picks up the correct config. The stack will keep running until you close the terminal session or stop the containers, so plan to leave that window open during development. If the first start was slow, subsequent starts will be faster because the images are cached. And if a port is already in use on your machine, the CLI will indicate the conflict so you can resolve it before retrying. That's it. You opened the official guide, installed the Supabase CLI, initialized your repo, started the Docker-based stack, and reached the local dashboard at localhost 54323. You now have a reliable local environment that mirrors production-style services, making it easier to develop, test, and iterate quickly. Thanks for watching, and happy building.